This session is from Let's Learn the Concept in 5 to 10 Minutes series. This 5 minutes videos will help in case you are going for interview and need to go through and brush up the concept quickly. Playlist will be updated every week, so subscribe to the channel to see more such content anytime and share if you like it. All the best.
Hi guys, welcome all of you. So in last session we have seen how to perform a mouse operation with the help of actions class, and in this session we are going to see another operation that is how to perform drag and drop in Selenium. How you can perform drag and drop in Selenium. This is very important interview question. Okay, so that I am going to cover in this session. So drag and drop means what? Let's say on this website I need to drag this object and I need to drop it here. Okay, so what I need to do, first I will have to find this element that need to be dragged. Okay, I will find it, then I will left click of my mouse. Okay, and I will keep pressing it. I will not release that button. Okay, keep pressing it and move your mouse. After moving your mouse to your target, okay, where you want to drop that element. Okay, and then release your left key of mouse. Okay, that's it. That we have successfully performed drag and drop manually. So what we have to do, find the element that need to be dragged. Okay, then press left key of mouse. Okay, keep pressing it and move to the area where you need to drop. Okay, so you can drop here, you can drop here. Okay, so you can move that web element in the web page and you can drop it anywhere, like anywhere you want to drop it. Okay, so you just have to mention the target where you need to drop it. Okay, so as of now we will drop in this target box. Okay, so that we need to automate with the help of Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so we are going to use the actions class, like in previous session also we have used the action class to perform different mouse operations. So to perform drag and drop, here also you need to use the action class method. So to use the action class method, first you need to create the action class object. Okay, actions a equal to new actions. Okay, and pass driver to the constructor. Now first we need to find the source and target web element, right? First you need to find the source. Okay, after that you need to click it and then you need to find the target and then release the button. Okay, so let us create our source web element and then target web element first. So let me create the web element first quickly. So here I have created two web element. One is source using drive.findElement by.xpath, and this is the xpath I used, and this is the xpath for target. So how I created it, you just have to inspect it. So I have used the id for both the box. Okay, so id is equal to draggable for source and id is equal to droppable for target. Okay, so I have created two web element. Now you have two ways to perform drag and drop in Selenium. First one, use of drag and drop method. Okay, this method is already available in the actions class. Okay, a ready-made method, directly use it. So how can you use it? Just use object reference a dot drag and drop. You can see here. Okay, drag and drop, then source, which web element you need to drag and where you need to drag. So you need to provide source and target. Okay, source and target, and then at the end you need to perform the action. Okay, and save it. So this will drag this source web element into the target. Okay, so let's go and see if it is running or not. So it will go to that website, and now you can see that it has successfully dragged that web element into the another target box. Okay, so we have used ready-made drag and drop method from the actions class. Okay, so using this drag and drop, you can move this source object to anywhere in the web page. Okay, it doesn't require that you need to drop it in the target only. Okay, you can provide any location with the help of x coordinate and y coordinate, and according to that position Selenium will drop it. Okay, so that will I will show you quickly. So drag and drop source, this I need to drag, and x coordinate you can give anything like 500. and y offset is also, let's see, 300. Okay, and then same, you need to perform this action. Okay, so comment this out. So let's see where it will drop this source now. Okay, so you can see it has dragged this target box at this position. So it has dragged it according to the x and y offset that we provided into the script. Okay, so this is the another way by which you can perform drag and drop according to the x offset and y offset. Okay, so just remember for interview point of view. Then second way to perform drag and drop, use of hold and release. Hold and release means what we have done, what we have to do is basically here. So basically what we have to do, we need to click here, hold that web element and move to the position you need to drop. So you can drop here or here, so you need to drop somewhere and then release the key. Okay, so this action you can automate. So how will you automate this action? A dot, first you need to click and hold the source web element, right? So we have click and hold method. Okay, so which web element you need to click and hold, that you need to provide inside the bracket. So here I need to click and hold this source, then I need to move to the target. So you can move to the target web element. So which element you need to move? This target, right? This we have created. Then after moving, what we have to do, you need to release the key. Okay, then we will release the key. Okay, and all this action you need to build and then perform. Okay, so we are doing here different actions. First we are pressing the left key of the mouse, okay, and we will hold it, and then we will move our mouse, means we are move our cursor to the target web element, and then we will release the key. Okay, so this action should also perform drag and drop. So let's see if it is working or not. Save it and run it. It has successfully performed drag and drop, right? So this way is also working fine. So you need to remember both the ways, okay, for the interview point of view and also in your real-time project. So here we have seen how you can perform drag and drop by using x offset and y offset. So let's try to do that using the same method here. We will click and hold the source web element, and first we will move to the web element. So instead of moving to the web element, what we will do, we will go to web element by using some offset. Okay, so here we have this method move by offset. Okay, so move by offset, here we need to give the values. So I need will give 500 again, and here I will give 300. Okay, move by offset means move the mouse by this x and y coordinate, and then dot release, then release the key, dot build dot perform. Okay, so this should also perform drag and drop, but it will drop the web element according to the values of x offset and y offset. Okay, so let's see if it is working or not. So as you have seen, it has first clicked this web element, okay, this first box, and then it moved to the position using x offset and y offset values that we provided, and accordingly it will release the key. that means it will drop that web element. Okay, so this is how you can use action class methods. One is ready-made drag and drop method, just provide source and target here. Okay, this is very simple. And another one method is click and hold the source first and move to the web element that you need to drop. Okay, so you can move to the web element or you can move by offset. Okay, and then release it, right? And this action you know to build and then perform. So I hope how to perform drag and drop in Selenium is clear to all of you. So still, if you don't understand anything or if you have any question, you can add in the comment section or send me an email on ageautomation09@gmail.com. Okay, so that's it for this session. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video soon. Thank you.